it's me, Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair, and today I want to do a rice water update. So it's been about 2 or 3 months since I actually did the video for rice water, and it has been amazing. There has been so many amazing testimonials, befores and afters. And for some of you who were not believers, I bet you are a believer now. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's tried it. Keep sending me all of the before and afters. We want to use them in some of our videos, like this one, like this one. These are all the videos we want to show, showing how everyone who tried it and see that it's working. But one of the things I want to talk about, there may be a few, I'm going to say 3% of people who've tried the rice water and it didn't work for them. Now I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons why it didn't. One, the rice, as you know, when it's being fermented, you're fermenting out some of the most amazing minerals. However, if your body has a mineral deficiency, like let's say you have too much calcium in your body. Well, calcium is stored in the bone and the teeth. But if you have too much calcium, your calcium is going to store itself in different places, and it may store itself in your hair. So if you are a person and you did the rice water challenge or the rice water rinse, and you said your hair was dry and it didn't work for you, you may be a person who have a calcium deficiency. Also, some people tried the brown rice, and with the brown rice they said it didn't work for them. Now, I tried it and I didn't even realize it didn't work for me either. I noticed that when I tried the brown rice, my hair seemed a little dry, but I thought that it was because I was just doing rice water too much. Then after listening to other people, I went and did my research, and I said, yeah, the brown rice has a lot of protein, more fiber in it than the white. So if you use the brown rice and it didn't work for you, I'm here to tell you, try the long grain rice. And so for some of you who haven't tried it yet, I'm trying to tell you, does these pictures lie? Do you see all these people, all of these different people who are successful with it? So I want you to try it. All of you who doctors and dermatologists told you can never grow your hair again from alopecia, look at this. Look at that. So rice water has made a believer out of many. I'm about to do a new video. Ooh, I got something. If you thought the rice water was what's up, I got a new one for you. So stay tuned. I got a new video showing you a new remedy on how to grow your hair, how to keep your hair healthy and shiny, and I am so excited. I'm still testing, but as soon as I finish all my tests and I get all my before and afters, I'm going to show you that video real soon. So thanks everybody, and please join me on Facebook and join me on Instagram at Ask Debbie About Hair.